Hello student, welcome to SST class. Today we'll discuss here SST chapter number 4. Topic is our dresses. Okay. So today we'll discuss this chapter. Already we have discussed in third chapter, chapter number 2 and first chapter, and I hope that you are easy and preparing well the last chapters, and today we'll discuss this chapter. So in our dresses, what we the people of India believe in the unity of diversity. We love each other. We love the language, dishes, culture, costume, all the like festivals, activities from one place to another place, from one region to another region. We believe and we try to adopt one place to another place, one taste to another taste, one custom to another custom, one culture to another custom. This is the credibility, this is the dignity of India, so that we are believe in unity unity of diversity. So we'll go through the text. India is a land of colorful dresses. Visit any place and you will see the human wearing a variety of dresses like uh, skirt, jean, trouser, sari, salwar, kameez, ghagra, lungi, etc. Okay, look here. Skirt, jeans, trousers, saris, salwar, kameez, ghagra, lungi, etc. India is a land of colorful dresses, and the people of India wearing this type of clothes. Like visit any place, you will see the human. Basically, these are the thing human uh, dresses like skirt, jeans, trousers, saris, salwars, kameez, ghagra, lungi. Okay, the men can be seen in kurta, pajama, lungi. See here, kurta, pajama, lungi, dhoti, and temath, jeans, trouser. In some places, you will find people wearing warm woolen clothes, and in other places, people may be wearing cool cotton dresses. Like North India, Kashmir. These are the Indian people who are dresses in a different costume. This is Punjab style. Okay, see this one, all the things. Then why is there such a variety in dresses? The question is here. Can you explain? Why is there such a variety in dresses? Because one reason for the variety is the climate, and the other reason in the culture and tradition of the people. The answer is here. One reason for the variety is the climate, and the other reason is the culture and tradition of the people. In hot and humid climate of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, people wear cool cotton clothes. Okay, people wear like Tamil Nadu and Kerala because in this area so much humidity, hummus, so that they are wearing like cool and cotton clothes. The men mostly wear lungi and cotton. The men mostly wear lungi and cotton shirts, and the women wear saris and lungis with a blouse. Do you understand how the Indian people are adapting, and they're very much interested to wearing the different type of dresses, and it has the dignity of Indian people, because we will believe in diversity in, sorry, unity in diversity. We are loving to each other regions people. We are loving to adopt the different dishes like dresses, okay, dresses, then cultures, festivals, whatever it may be. We are trying to adopt one another. Okay, the next, the next one, I'll clear it. Okay, look. The people living in the cold climate of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh wear a thick woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Kashmiri people here, they are just wearing cold the clothes, thick woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. And this is the dresses of Kerala sari, one of the famous and most talented actor Rasmika Mandana. This picture is Rasmika Mandana. She has wear this Kerala sari. Okay, this is Kerala dresses and this is Kashmiri dresses. The men wear caps and the women wear colorful scarves, shawls to protect their heads from the chilly winds. Okay, here look, women are wearing like this, and men are also wearing the caps for protect their heads from the chilly winds, cold wind. The dresses of women as well as the men are made of different types of materials like cotton, silk, wool, nylon, rayon, etc. Okay, dresses of women as well as the men are made of different materials like what? Cotton, silk, wool, nylon, rayon, etc. The type of material people choose for their dresses depend upon the climate. In areas of high temperature, in areas of high temperature, cotton and linen fabric are worn, and in cold climate, people mostly use silk and woolen material. So here two type of dresses has been defined, like according to the area basis. High temperatures, those who are living in the high temperature area, they are wearing the cotton and linen fabric, and in cold climate, okay, area, or the people who are living in cold climate area mostly use silk and woolen materials. Yes, do you know here Cotton comes from cotton plants. Silk comes from silkworm, and wool comes from the fur of animals like sheep, yak, goats, etc. Okay, this is located in Kashmir. So next, the culture and tradition of an area also affect our dresses. Sure, this is our culture, our tradition, our dresses. Definitely, it will define to other, and it will a different type of looks. We love it. We wear it. We practice it. So here, if you go to Hyderabad and or Lucknow, if you go to Hyderabad or Lucknow, you will find some Muslim women wearing burqa. It is a long and black or dark colored coat. In Kashmir, men as well as women wear a loose long robe known as firan. The women from this is the women from Assam wear mekhla, chadar, and Rajasthani women wearing the ghagra choli. This is the Rajasthani women, okay, wearing the ghagra choli, the very famous ghagra choli. Okay, so different type of people are wearing from the different places or different region. They are wearing the different type of clothes, different type of costume. So we are also practicing the same things. We are also different from one another. We are also wearing different clothes, choices to wear different type of clothes like this. Our culture, their culture, all culture is equal, and one another we are just favorite upon to adopt. Okay, student. Then we'll move to next page. So here, look. This is also the dresses system. In a state like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Maharashtra, men wear a sofa, means turban, to protect their heads from the hot sun. In Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, this is Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, men wear woolen caps. Men wear woolen cap. Men wear woolen caps in winter. So during the hot time, to protect their head, the people from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, and Maharashtra, they are wearing the safa or turban, and during the winter time in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, men wear woolen caps. This is okay. This is Haryana people. This is Punjab people. This is West Bengal. Punjab people, West Bengal people, Rajasthan people. See here, Rajasthani, Bengali, Punjabi, then Haryana. These days, most girls can be seen in salwar and kameez. These days, most girls can be seen in shalwar, kameez, churidar, kurta, or jeans. t-shirt and t-shirt. They find them comfortable. So by wearing this type of clothes, they just finding themselves they are in comfortable with this clothes. Sari is now sari is worn all over India, but the style of wearing a sari and the materials used are different from place to place. You can name the state by looking at the uh, style of wearing a sari. So this is Maharashtra style sari, Bengali style sari, then Gujarati style sari. One of the new song now very famous in Bengal. Okay, Bengali. Here the what that song? Bodo Lokor Beti Lo. They are wearing the Bengali style or Bengali style sari in the in this dance. Most Indian men wear trouser and jeans with shorts and coats. Men in sides, men in cities and towns wear kurta, pajama, dhoti, kurta, uh, achkan for special occasion like a festival, marriage, etc. So men also wearing the different type like kurta pajama, dhoti kurta in different cities. Okay, this one especially in festival and marriage, etc. Brides are and bridegrooms wear different types of dresses in different part of India. Brides and bridegrooms wear different type of clothes or wear different type of clothes, uh, dresses in different part of India. This is Gujarati style, this is Assam, this is West Bengal, this is Kashmir. So now we'll move to next. Some dresses are linked with some occupation. A mechanic with navy blue dungarees and a naval office in white uniform can be recognized easily. In the same way, your school uniform makes it easy for everyone to know which school do you study in. According to school, this is look. This is the mechanical or mechanic, the dresses. This is naval officer servicing in water, navy. Then this is nurse, nurse sister. This is police babu, police officer. The police officer dresses, the different dresses. Your school dresses also different. You are wearing the school dresses in your home also. You are wearing uh, different dresses. Some dresses are linked with some occupation, like mechanics, then naval officers, nurse, policemen, school dresses like this. India is a land of many classical and folk dances. The dancer wear beautiful costume. See, this is the Bharatnatyam dances. Bharatnatyam dances is Bharatnatyam dances located in which state? Who can say the Bharatnatyam classical dance located in Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Then Kathakali. Kathakali It is in Kerala. Kathakali in Kerala. Then Garba, Punjab. Bihu, Assam, Odisha, like this. So we have explained our dresses, the topic our dresses, so 4 number chapter. Uh, so you have to read these things clearly, how the people of India are adopting new dresses, new culture, and the dresses are how different from one another according to the culture, according to the tradition, according to the climate or the region, and like this according to the culture or the festival, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Garba, Bihu, and according to the profession like mechanic, naval officer, nurse, a police officer, then you means student who are wearing the uniform in the school, like this. Then the people like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, they are protecting from hot sun, so wearing in head, like this. In Kashmir also men are wearing capes, women are different dresses. In Kerala there is Kerala sari, Kerala sari. So different type of dresses wearing by different regions people, and you have to clear these things. Okay. In next video I'll make you question and answer. Uh, this is the explanation video. I'll give you question and answer details, like from here. See here, something to know, this type of, okay, question answer I'll do in next course video, because today the video will be more lengthy, so that I'm stopping here, closing the video. Thank you very much.